In Qatar, accessing certain communication platforms can be challenging due to government restrictions. One such platform is WhatsApp, a popular messaging and calling app used by millions around the world. If you find yourself unable to make WhatsApp calls in Qatar, there are a few steps you can take to try and unblock the service. First, try using a virtual private network, VPN, to mask your IP address and bypass the restrictions put in place by the Qatari government. There are many VPN services available that can help you access WhatsApp calls and other blocked content. In the description you can find the best VPN suggestions for Qatar. Another option is to use a different messaging app that is not blocked in Qatar, such as Skype or Viber. While these apps may not be as popular as WhatsApp, they can still provide a way to communicate with friends and family both locally and internationally. If all else fails, you can try contacting your internet service provider to see if they can help unblock WhatsApp calls for you. Some providers may have ways to bypass the restrictions or offer alternative solutions for accessing blocked content. Overall, while accessing WhatsApp calls in Qatar may be challenging, there are ways to work around the restrictions and continue communicating with loved ones near and far.